Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion. This generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where your fog lights fuse, relay fuse is located. Which fuses and relays you need to check for fog lights, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. The fog lights relay fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Fusion here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes. Today we'll be working a couple, but you have many hidden fuse boxes. We recommend to check the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Ford Fusion. Open the hood, and under the hood guys, on the driver's side you have that cover that looks like a T. Open it, underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So guys, here, okay, what you need to check specifically for fog lights. You do not have any relays guys. No relays are for fog lights. They're controlled by the BCM and you have relay fuses. Now this relay here, there is no information about that. Almost anywhere we couldn't find it. It says it's not used, but in my opinion it's for something. So always check that one as well. But you need to find guys fuse number 18. Then fuse number, that's 19, 20. And after that you need to come to the driver's side, under the dash. You see that lower trim? Extends to the other side of the steering wheel. It attaches with 4 clips underneath, one here, 2 like that on the other side. Pull from top to bottom, it opens. Deep inside the dash on the left side, you'll find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Here you will need to check fuse number 20, right here guys. That's 19 and 20 double fuse, but that portion here, check this one. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.